Shapes vocabulary in English. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle, oval, star, diamond, heart, cross, crescent, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, decagon, trapezoid, parallelogram, right triangle, cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder, cone, pyramid, prism, tetrahedron, hemisphere, torus, arrow, spiral, drop, moon shape, sun shape, cloud shape, flower shape, clover, starfish shape, gear, Pentagon Star, ellipse, oblong, shield shape, hexagram, leaf shape, triangle prism, diamond star shape, kite,